Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya, and in this video I am going to do the unboxing of this, the Boat Airdopes 161, which company launched for rupees 999, and maybe this is the initial price. After some time maybe they will change the price to 1199. I mean, they can increase the price by 200 rupees, but right now I am going to judge this TWS according to its current pricing. But this is going to be my unboxing and first impression or quick review, whatever you want to say, but this is not going to be my full review. For that I need more time. But anyways, now let's start the unboxing of this product. Here it is. The box is not in a very proper condition, as you can see, but it's fine. See, this is the Boat Airdopes 161. I ordered this in blue color, and also I bought this from Amazon for $9.99. You will get the buying link in the description. Alright, so some highlighting features are mentioned here, like IWP technology, 10mm driver is also there, and ASAP charge, and then one touch voice assistant is also there. You will get total playback of 17 hours, IPX5 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.1, and instant response touch control. So you will also get touch controls in this TWS. Alright, the quality of packaging is not so nice in my opinion. You will get some manual cards with tons of celebrities, as you can see. Hardik Pandya, KL Rahul, Mayank Agarwal. Oh my god, there are tons of cricketers, Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan, and then there are a lot of actors and actresses. So yeah, that's it. And then you will get a guidebook for like how to use this TWS and also to access all the features. Man, tons of paperwork, as you can see. And now here you will get this USB type C. Alright guys, so here is the small and large ear tips, as you can see. Here is the main thing. Wow, in blue color this is looking very good, isn't it? See guys, this is the Boat Airdopes 161. Oops. Anyway, so yeah, the entire build is made up of plastic. You will get a type C here, so that's very good thing. And let me open the lid of this case. So alright, so this is the buds itself, which is highly inspired from Apple AirPods. You can literally see the design. This is highly inspired from Apple AirPods. But talking about the case, then it is of a comfortable size, not very big, not very small, and also very lightweight, so that's good. And can you open this from one hand? Then of course you can. See, not a very smooth process, but still, that's, I guess, with the time I will get used to this. Now let me show you the fit. It feels good inside the ear and very comfortable as well. Now let's do the extreme fitting test. Oh, now this is super impressive. The fit is very good, so there is no problem in fittings. And now let me listen some music, let me explore the features of this TWS, and then I will meet you in few hours and I will tell you all the things. Alright guys, so here you can see that Airdopes 161 is written here. So I already connected this TWS with my phone, and in the starting the buds was 70% charged. Well, if you open the lid of the case, then it will automatically connect with your phone in 3 to 5 seconds. As you can see here. Alright, this time it took 5 seconds, exact 5 seconds. Alright, it's taking more time, I don't know why. On the camera it is not performing so well. I guess this buds is shy in front of camera, and when you close the lid it will automatically get disconnected. So overall the process is very seamless. As you can see, this time it didn't take a lot of time. So yeah, that's the thing. And here are some more features which I would love to show you. Like if I will tap on this, then it will get pause. If I will tap again, then it will play the song. And the touch controls are pretty good. See, it's accurate as well, as you can see. And if I will double tap, then it will change the track, it will go forward. again it will go forward. And if you press and hold this either of these words, then it will activate the Google Assistant. If you will press this for 3 seconds, all right, maybe in home page this will work. All right, so yeah, here it is. All right, so this is not working quite seamlessly. Let me try here in these words. Alright guys, so now if we talk about the gaming, that how good the latency of this buds is, then let's test that out. So I guess guys, there is a clear latency in this TWS, as always in all the wireless earbuds we see this. So if you are planning to buy this for gaming purpose, then definitely don't buy this. Well guys, this buds lacks one very small element. One very basic thing is that you will not see R and L written anywhere in the buds, right and left I mean. So you can't identify that which buds is of which ear by looking at them, but definitely by looking at the design you can identify, but still R and L makes the things more convenient. Alright guys, so this is the voice listening from both Airdopes 161. Do let me know in the comment box how is the audio quality. And right now I'm speaking with the good Airdopes 161, and now I'm speaking with my phone. So please tell me if there is any difference in the sound quality or not. Well, definitely there is going to be, but how much difference is there, and if it is ideal for talking or not, please decide and do let me know in the comment box. Alright guys, so the audio quality of this boat Airdopes 161 is actually quite good. I was not expecting, that type of audio quality, so it was better. Oh, I'm sorry. So yeah, the overall sound quality is so good. However, maybe I will add more opinion in my full review video, and also I'm not very sure about the battery life, but yeah, company claims, I guess, company claims total playback of 17 hours, which is quite nice. And but for gaming, again, if you talk about the latency, then definitely, even though it has low latency or what, but it is not suitable for gaming. And Google Assistant is not working in the touch controls, but other touch controls are very responsive and fine, and other features are also nice to see at such price point. So under 1000 price point, it is definitely a recommendable product. But the thing is that I never tried other products, other TWS products for like 1000 rupees. If you want to see a comparison between this and both Airdopes 131, then do let me know, because I am purchasing the 131 as well. So I will looking forward to compare both this, because both comes at same price range, so maybe people get confused at which one they should buy. So yeah, I'm making a comparison video very soon. So yeah, as I told you that I have no idea that what other competitions are doing at this same price range, and also what boat is doing with other TWS at same price range. I have no idea about this. So yeah, I have tried this, so I'm very impressed with this earbuds. So yeah, if you have any other questions which you want me to cover in that comparison or in the review, if you want to see, then do let me know in the comment box. And if you enjoyed what you watched, if you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe the channel and also turn that bell icon on, so that you will get all the notifications of my videos. I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.